Hey, what's up guys? Will here for GSM Arena. Motorola has released their new high-end heavy hitter, the Motorola Edge 30 Pro, aka Motorola Edge Plus 2022 in the US. What's changed since last year's model? Let's go over its key features and find out. Our Moto Edge is in Stardust White, and it brings a sleek, pearly matte finish. The back is made of Gorilla Glass 5, and it tapers into the frame, which is plastic, not metal like last year. The camera bump is kind of noteworthy. It's oval rather than square. One new addition this year is IP-rated splash resistance at IP52. Moto phones generally bring some splash proofing, but this time it's official. Like last year, the Moto Edge 30 Pro has a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 1080p resolution and super fast 144Hz refresh rate. There's HDR10 Plus and 10-bit color, which you'd find on the Moto Edge 20 Pro as well. For some reason, this panel here uses Gorilla Glass 3 rather than 5 though. Unlike the Moto Edge 20 Pro's single speaker, the 30 Pro has a pair of stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support. And there's another brand new feature on this year's model, Stylus support. Unfortunately, Motorola's Smart Stylus doesn't come bundled, at least not in the beginning and certainly not in all markets. Charging has also been revamped this time around. You get a 68-watt turbo-powered charger with the phone, which should be pretty fast, and there's now support for wireless charging too. Of course, you get the latest and greatest chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which will provide you a boost in performance over the previous model. It's not all upgrades though. At 4800 mAh, the battery capacity is a bit less than the Edge 20 Pros, and on the spec sheet at least, the cameras seem like a downgrade. The Edge 30 Pro has a 50-megapixel main cam with a large sensor, OIS, and omnidirectional autofocus, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide which can also shoot macro, and a depth sensor. You miss out on the higher-res main cam and telephoto of last year. The selfie cam does seem interesting though, with an impressive 60-megapixel resolution. And finally we have the interface. It's called MyUI 3.0, based on Android 12, and it's a bit different from the stock Android we're used to seeing from Motorola. Still, you have access to Moto's proprietary features through the dedicated panel, and Moto promises 3 years of security updates. So there you have it guys, the Moto Edge 30 Pro brings quite a few changes and most of them are pretty exciting. The loss of the periscope telephoto is a bummer though. Let us know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon with our full review.